Welcome to Sassy Expression, your go-to destination for everything social media. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our content. Valiant and Shaneil Muir was having a one-on-one conversation, and she revealed a jaw-dropping secret about her walking in on her man having a three-way with two other females. She was shocked at the time, but did not say a word. She left the scene, however, the man was not aware of her catching him in the act. Do you think she should have reacted or just walk away? Let me know in the comments.
What did for do? Go take the penis out of the girl vagina?
No, I never said to do that. No, nothing like that.
So, I never gonna stop it neither.
So him stop?
Stop what?
Do him I do?
No, I never know so I see him till after I leave there.
Pull out to the be alive. You sure?
Why? If I never see it for myself, I could have convinced me otherwise.
So you know the person?
No.
Oh.
Two at that.
Huh?
It wasn't one, it was two.
Two girls? But dog! It don't know! You can't vex for that. You should have never let him. You should have never. You should have never let him for that. Alright, what's up? I'm asking you a question. If he did tell you the truth and say, you know, say, I have a threesome, you'll still talk to him?
First of all, I'm a different type of woman. There's a line that you don't cross with me. Yeah.
But just to ask the question still.
Yeah.
It's a no.
If me not enough, you don't need me.
Yo, blood clot sang that, you know. If me not enough, you don't need me. But sang that too. But what I say is, me feel like I should have given him a chance in me still. Because nobody not perfect, as we say.
I have standards. What do you mean?
But you're there with him. So are you standard? When you drop same time when you see him?
No, him drop my standards when him do my that. But if I did stay, I drop my standards even more.
True. That's the part of the truth. True. Just agree with you, because I don't want to bash it.
You don't have to agree with me because you don't want to bash him.
Yo, if a girl catch me.
I saw no man think.
No,
I saw no man think up here, so I think so when I do certain things that woman for stay.
When man.
Well, I know. You don't know? Mama stick with me through the thick and the thin. And mama did that to me and mama left me say, oh, me.
No, I don't need that.
Me?
Yo.
You crazy?
But you don't want to say nothing, no.
You're crazy?
You feel like you should have given him a chance.
Crazy?
You should have given him one more chance.
What if I him did catch me?
Yeah, lift up now.
You're double standard.
That's not double. Listen.
You're double standard.
Listen.
Double standard.
What me I say to you is, there's a difference when a male and a female cheat. There's a difference.
Not different about the cheating and cheating.
When woman cheat, them have a connection. You're not going to just go around and just random be a man and fuck.
That's your thing.
Never laugh about that party. You know, but we just say it's different. When a man cheating can forget about a girl by tomorrow, you know, or even the same time for the spot. And go man lay down like nothing ever happened.
Hi, first of all, men cheat and get caught. Most women don't.
Where you get that ratio from? Where you get that ratio from?
People, allow me to tell.
Yeah, I know. She's driving people.
People, allow me to tell.
Man cheat and they get caught. Me know that for sure.
Men are not the best at cheating.
Women are not the best at cheating.
Says who?
Woman born just hotter.
Nah. Oh, if you find out say a woman a cheat, she want you find out say she a cheat.
Boy, I don't know. But I tell you is, when man cheat, it's different. When woman cheat, it's more intense, it's more heartbreaking. You know them little way?
No, because men think that way. They think that if a woman cheats, she's in love with the person she's cheating with. So that hurts more.
Right.
So that hurts more. But per se, when men cheat, they cheat because they could just get a not so pussy, and that's it.
Yeah.
But
The conversation was intense, and Shaneil Muir started to read Valiant file by pointing out his characteristics and flaws. He did not agree to most of what she was saying, and he refrained from answering her assumptions.
No,
yeah, man. So Raheem got hurt and Valiant emerged to protect Raheem, but Raheem is there, waiting to be nurtured. See, ladies, we've done our reading.
Read it.
We've done our reading.
You know one thing? You're reading wrong. The whole reading wrong.
Remember, you're a liar, so you can't say what you say and I opposite of what you say we are going to take. So you are a liar, so remember that. So you just say reading wrong, so we know the reading right. So you can't tell me nothing more about it like
but
that.
most mother woman are liar too. So
I never say me a mother woman. I am Shaneil Muir. You notice I don't have an alias. Me a who me be and what you see and what you get.
So my name Valiant and my middle name.
Valiant.
Yes.
Look for me good.
Me
Look like
me like your ear, what that? Peruvian?
No, this is Vietnamese.
Vietnamese, it's nice.
Thank you.
It's nice, me like
Don't
it.
change the subject. Thanks for your
compliment. And the baby on the
compliment.
side, on the thing. Mad. Wait a second, sorry.
So the conclusion is, people, Raheem is the inner, that's somebody they will hide when I want to get hurt, so him lock himself, build one big wall, so
Alright.
so him don't get hurt again because he never heal himself from what the girl do him. And then Valiant was created. You see me? So Valiant is the protector of Raheem. And, you know, Raheem is the inner child that needs healing from his trauma. So Valiant is protecting
Inner what?
Raheem.
Inner child?
Yeah.
Why inner child?
Because you still not grow up from where you endure it.
Why you come with a conclusion then, assumption?
Because of that, you sure.
No. And that you pick up and assume, and that's why in a relationship,
I never pick up nothing.
Argument. I assume that because
I never assume nothing. If I assume, I tell you one piece of rotted story and I tell you. I never assume nothing.
Me no mention no time so me get heartbreak. Me no mention no time but no heartbreak, nothing. That can't affect me in no way.
Your artist. You sing about heartbreak.
But which one of them are liar? Which one of them are liar?
You don't say two of them?
Oh. We'll come to the conclusion now.
Say what?
Me what them I say, I'm read what them I say.
No, we'll continue this tomorrow.
That's why
everything can pencil tonight.
Actually, you don't even know my bright boy, don't follow me. But as I said, Shaneil, we get
Valiant should break your heart.
Huh?
She really up for let it down, no?
Who?
A girl.
Who that?
She
who?
That you don't have to tell nobody.
That's one thing I do. But I don't know who you are talking.
You don't have to tell nobody. Nobody has nothing here.
John. So, since we never answer your question, you feel like me have somebody?
Join our live tomorrow at 10 p.m. to continue this conversation.
The people, that's the last the people in one.
We will continue this conversation tomorrow. So we will pick up on Shaneil Muir and Valiant live. Paradox releasing tomorrow. So make sure that everybody tune in, log in. Make sure that you click on the link that we will be posting. Check your online, your media, all your digital platforms, and stay tuned and stay locked. Paradox will be releasing tomorrow. You have anything to say, Valiant?
No, what am I to say? Everybody stay tuned tonight. I'm going to post my girlfriend.
The conversation did not stop there, as Shaneil Muir believes that women are best at cheating, while Valiant believe men cheat without attachment. What do you think?
Remember, sex is sacred for a person. If it is sacred for them.
Wait.
So if a man go out here and
fuck anybody, so where I say, you think me an idiot? Yo, we need some people by my side. Cause be a joke. I'll be a joke thing. Yo, listen to me and say, listen when man cheat. Alright, send me go out the road. Boom. Me see one female, I'm like, mama, hey, whoa, bam, bam. Boom. Really show up now. Lay down side of my woman. Remember, she go lay all her text me, go to the black car, the business that I'm gone back side of my woman, normal. I don't feel no love or no connection. But when a woman go cheat, you know, with her next man, no, some type of connection did it.
Not necessarily.
And if the man
sometimes, yes, but not necessarily.
If the man want to tap it again, he can tap it again. To all of you, booed up and done tap it already.
Well, obviously, because a woman go have.
See?
If she doesn't do that.
You can't contradict yourself. Where does that say?
No, Mr. Because you're speaking on that situation, so I'm saying some women will allow that time because instead of them they go have sex with 10 different men. Because of the socially acceptable things, woman will make that happen because they now they go to have sex with 10 different men.
Yeah.
So then we're not see a man.
So me right then.
No, you know nothing to do with man as a person. You have something to do with she as a person. You make it seem like she love the man. No, she not necessarily would have loved the man, but she love herself more.
You confuse the whole situation with me, I try.
Am I though?
Yeah.
Our tree and I you want here.
Maybe that too. But me just say, because nothing when me stand right. It sound like me confused. Maybe through me now.
No, you just have to learn how to connect your argument and connect it right.
Well, I said if I was in a relationship like that to talk, I don't really like to communicate and all of them little things. They like talk.
Then you're not that's not a relationship.
No, let me finish with me I said no. You remember? Let me finish with me I said no, man. Yo, this about say you show me and me crush out to bomb buck, man. What the fuck? Me just try to say me and one of them. It's like somebody for me that man talk and laugh with my fans and when we in a relation, I'm like a quiet person. You get what I say? So me the one where I go, yeah. When I'm in a relationship, I like sit down and like makes my girl and calm and just easy. See like I'm with a fun for media, smile and laugh. Give the media what they want. See? When I come to my girl, I'm just like being Raheem. But now I'm bad. Paul. You get me answer? Yeah. Get me? I just normal breathe. I just my personality that when me there on my female, me just calm. You're not gonna get the excitement, so you can't. That's why I said the communication. I like seminar the so if me feel.
Is Valiant the liar or Raheem?
If yeah, I'm going to spot. Yeah, I know. I remember someone expressed them feelings different too.
Is Valiant the liar or Raheem? Go ahead.
How was the night?
Is Valiant the liar or Raheem?
Murder. Yeah. I should be the fight alive, yeah. But, Shaneil, I'm just there. I'm wish you the best with the whole of that I say. The whole of that I say, I wish you the best with it. No, honestly. I wish you the best with the whole of that. I support the way everything when you deal with. I want it word. I don't want you to surprise me and say, what? Yeah. When you squeeze
Ready
brain,
again?
when you squeeze the brain.
Ready again?
Yeah, man.
Me say, if a Raheem are the liar or is it Valiant?
No, the two, them are the two same person.